Hello everyone! Today I'm going to export you into a magical world. So right now we are going to explore Chinese Lantern Festival, which is happening in Kokabooth Amphitheater, Cary, North Carolina. So more than 2500 lanterns create 36 all new displays showcasing the Chinese culture in a multicultural experience at the festival. You can enjoy performances happen at 6:30, 7:30 and 8:30 p.m. These lanterns are handcrafted by Chinese artisans. More than 25 Chinese artisans and performers arrive in North Carolina in early November to assemble these lanterns and prepare them for the celebration. This Chinese festival welcomes more than 1,250 visitors each year. The North Carolina Chinese Lantern Festival is Cary's largest, most popular cultural event. For many, it has become part of their family's annual tradition. The festival delights youngsters, it energizes old adults and brings families together. You can find different type of tickets as per your availability. You can choose the option. To avoid end moment hassle, prefer to book prior and online. The ticket we booked, it was any night ticket. So the door opens at 6 p.m. So plan about an hour to walk the colorful lantern filled half-mile loop. That gives you plenty of time to stop and take selfies and sip your boozy hot chocolate while you stroll around. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful, beautiful, at the same time spectacular experience of lights and culture. If you are watching right now, make sure before 9th January 2022 you visit there. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe and share with others. Press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you so much.